like to call on you to join us. Candidate 145, Grace Pakara. And of course, Ramsey, help us out with our next judge.
Our next judge is the owner of Oropan, Mr. Ramon Go.
Magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi din po.
My question will be in English and Tagalog. But when you win the crown tonight, where would be the first place that you would go to here in our own country? And how would you promote it to one of your foreign friends?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank my family, supporters, the panel board of judges, and especially God for giving me this opportunity. If I will be crowned tonight, the first place that I would go is, of course, to my home, Davao Occidental. For I believe that it is sad to say that Davao Occidental, or Mindanao, has been labeled as a terrorist haven here in the Philippines. But I believe that there's beauty lies beyond negativism. Davao Occidental, Mindanao, is such an extraordinary place where we have a diverse culture with heritage.
Very good.
A lot of extraordinary tourist attractions, from highlands to the beaches, and of course, beautiful people who live in peace, love, and in harmony. That would be all.